Atoms and molecules. During a chemical reaction, the sum of the masses of the reactants and products remains unchanged. This is known as the law of conservation of mass. In a pure chemical compound, elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. This is known as the law of definite proportions. An atom is the smallest particle of the element that cannot usually exist independently and retain all its chemical properties. It is not divisible. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all matter, whether element or compound, is composed of small particles called atoms and molecules. Each element has a name and a unique chemical symbol. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together and forms the smallest part of an element or a compound. This can exist independently and show all the properties of the substance. A chemical formula of a compound shows its constituent elements and the number of atoms of each combining element. Ion is a charged particle and can be positively or negatively charged. Clusters of atoms that act as an ion are called polyatomic ions. They carry a fixed charge on them. The combining capacity of an element is known as its valency. The chemical formula of a molecular compound is determined by the valency of the combining elements. In ionic compounds, the charge on positive ion and negative ions is taken into account so that the overall chemical formula gives a neutral compound. Scientists use the relative atomic mass scale to compare the masses of different atoms of elements. Atoms of carbon-12 isotopes are assigned to a relative atomic mass of 12 and the relative masses of all other atoms are obtained by comparison with the mass of carbon-12 atom. The number of atoms present in 12 grain of carbon-12 is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which is called Avogadro number. A mole denotes 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, molecules or ions. Mass of 1 mole of substance expressed in gram is called its molar mass. 1 mole of any substance occupies 22.4 pi of volume at STP condition. This volume is called as molar volume.